Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to class. Today we are going to talk about something that make English sound natural, musical, and expressive. Words, stress, and rhythm. So every language has its own rhythm, like music, and English is not exception. When you listen to native speakers, you might notice that some words are said louder, longer, or clearer than others. That's called stress. Today, I will explain how stress and rhythm work together to make your English sound more fluent and natural. So, we're going to start. Let's start with word stress. In English, every multi-syllable word has one main syllable that is stronger than the others. Look at this example. Photograph, photographer, photographic. Can you hear the difference? Each word changes its stress depending on its form. In photograph, the first syllable is stressed, photo. In photographer, the stress moves to the second syllable. And in photographic, the stress moves again, this time to the third. Okay? This movement of stress helps listeners understand what kind of word you are saying, a noun, verb, or adjective. When you pronounce a stressed syllable, it's usually louder, longer, and clearer than the others. Listen carefully. Photographer, photographer, photograph, photograph, and photographic, photographic. Okay? You can almost feel the beat, right? English has a natural rhythm based on the stressed syllables. Then, now let's move from words to sentences. Just like words, sentences also have a rhythm, and it's created by stress and unstressed words. In English, we usually stress content words like nouns, main verbs, adjectives, and adverbs, and we make function words weaker like a, the, to, and, of, is. For example, listen to this sentence. I love my dog. I love my dog. Here, love and dog are the important words, so they stressed. The rhythm sounds like da da da, da da da. You see? Let's try a longer one. I am going to the market. I'm going to the market. Notice that going and market are stressed while I'm to. They are softer. The rhythm goes da 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 da. You see? This pattern of strong and weak beats is what gives English its musical quality. Why is important? Because stress and rhythm help listeners understand you more easily, even if your grammar or vocabulary isn't perfect. If your stressing is in the wrong place, it can confuse the listener. For example, if you say photograph, photograph instead of photograph, it sounds strange, almost like a different word. Also, rhythm helps you sound more natural and fluent. When you speak English with connect rhythm, your speech flows like a song, with clear beats and natural pauses. So mastering stress and rhythm isn't just about pronunciation, it's about being understood, confident, and expressive. Let's listen to and repeat a few short examples together to hear the difference. Most people never really think about how they sound. Listen to the rhythm. Most people never really think about how they sound. You can hear the beat? The strong syllables create a pattern. That's the rhythm we want to imitate when we speak naturally. And here's another one. You can always improve your pronunciation. The stress are in always improve pronunciation. These rest of the words are short and soft. They fill the space between the beats. So today we have learned that every word has a stressed syllable. Sentences have rhythm and created by stress and understressed words. Using correcting stress and rhythm helps your English sound clear, natural, and confident. In the next part of the lesson, you will get to practice identifying and producing this rhythm yourself, and even compare your pronunciation to native speakers using a digital tool. Remember, English is like music. When you find the beat, your speech flows beautifully. And thank you for watching.